Inculcating a hobby can change the dimensions of your personality. Let's meet our mentor for the day, Dr. Jawahar Israni, a multiple world record holder and a social worker.
So good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Man Mahilaka. So sir, tell me about yourself and your journey.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for talking to me. And I am very, very thankful to you for giving me this chance to express myself about my achievements, my hobby, and my
Yes.
social works.
Yes, sir.
I am Dr. Jawahar Israni,
Okay.
and I come from a very, very poor family.
Okay.
I migrated from Pakistan, Larkana, Sindh in 1947.
Okay.
My birthplace is Larkana, Sindh, Pakistan. It was undivided India. So we came as a refugee. We were given a tent in Purana Killa. It is an old fort, New Delhi.
Yeah.
So we stayed there, started my studies in Govind Sindhi School. When I was a child of about 11, yes, when I was studying in class 5, my teacher motivated me that a student should have a hobby. Along with the studies, he should continue with his hobby so that your time will be very, very effectively used for some useful purposes. From that class 5, I started collecting postage stamps, post office, and from the neighboring embassies, from the Jorbag and Golf Links area.
Okay.
And therefrom I started keeping them in some envelope. But after a few days, I found that they are being joining together and sticking together. So somebody suggested me you put in the water and get it disconnected and dry them, and then you keep in a copy. So I started keeping them in copy, and as the quantity was increasing, I supposedly put some envelopes for each
Okay.
country. I started putting country wise.
Okay.
After a few days or few months, I found that country wise also we can segregate as a theme wise.
Yeah.
So from there, I got an idea that these themes should be used for some social causes. So
Yes.
I put them in trees, flowers, paintings, games, sports, Olympics, like that.
Okay.
So segregation helped me to show them to the students of the school and tell them, you see, you can start playing and you can get into the Olympics area. Or you start from the school, college level, and afterwards you will find that you are working very hard and you are in the district level. So slowly, slowly you can increase your capability of your choice, whether you are playing hockey, cricket,
Yes.
badminton, whatever that. And
Yes, sir.
after when I was so I started motivating people about this hobby, and that let us save the water, let us save the electricity, let us put the trees in the factories, offices, and schools, colleges. So after some time, I started giving lectures of 5 minutes to each school I visited. Whenever I used to visit some offices also, because of my this nature of job, I am basically a mechanic. And after the retirement also, I this hobby playing to different schools, colleges, factories, and even the public gatherings for motivating the people. You see, I started in the class 5, and now I have collected more than 50,000 postage stamps. It is not a piece of paper only. It is not a piece of paper only.
Yeah.
But this each stamp gives wide knowledge about the different countries which they are issuing on the various themes, whether it is a historic places, whether it is flowers, whether it is school, this spices, whether it is a paintings, aeroplanes, boats, and different transportation means, railways, bus, taxi, etc. So we can see the various shapes of the cars. We can see the various types of flowers. We can see the various type of trees different countries are having. Though we are not able to visit the different countries, but from these postage stamps, we can learn a lot about the geography.
So, sir, tell me about your challenges you have faced during your journey.
Yes, I started collecting these stamps and started putting in small in this plastic covers first
Okay.
to avoid any sticking with the other paper. So it is safe in this small plastic paper. Then I seal them with the sellotape.
Okay.
Then I stick this sellotape with the paper, and the paper I write about the name of the country and theme. So these envelopes, it saves from the dust, water, and unwanted fungus
Okay.
or the rainwater. So leaf paper protects my stamps very well, and now they are very well intact in the almirahs. Each album carries about 500, 400, 300 quantity like this. So since I have kept them country wise as well as the theme wise, so number of files are there. So I regularly put them on the pest control system
Okay.
to avoid any damage to this antique value of the stamps.
Yes, sir.
So with these files on a rotation basis, wherever I go, I take them one at least and display it to different schools, colleges, and factories. So more than 450 colleges, schools, and factories I have visited and displayed them, and motivating the people about the various social causes. Yes, Beti Bachao, Beti
Okay.
Padhao,
Okay. Yeah.
like that. And motivate people about the paintings. Let them start some paintings that they will be able to create some invaluable photographs, painting, sketches, and after years, they will be able to see that previously how they were painting and now what is the improvement after 10 years or so.
Yes.
So it is not that it is not so easy to keep this your progress visible, but after so many years only you will find that you people are appreciating your creativity and you are able to show your skills to different persons and different places.
Yes, sir.
So you get the reward or awards only after some time. It is not people are asking that how you do it. How you do it. So I tell them that you have patience, and you continue your job, whatever you are able to do it, whether you are playing, whether you are painting, whether you are creating some sort of this collection, whether it
Yes.
is a key bunch collections, whether it is a hairpin collection, people collect these matchboxes or cigarette box covers.
Yeah.
So it is depending upon the each person that what they are able to collect and how keep them and display them or utilize them. Some people collect coins also. I also collect coins along with my stamps.
Wow.
I have collected more than 50,000 stamps of different countries, numbering to 240.
Okay.
And they have been kept in theme-wise also. About 190 themes have been covered, different
Wow.
types, whether it is adventure, historical, paintings, this postal stamps, presidents, prime minister, flowers, etc. So these people are actually appreciating, and now they start giving me different type of awards. Records have been broken in a different category, national level as well as the international level. So I feel lucky that I have collected from the childhood and I have continued it. I get so many that they also collected stamps, but after some time they discontinued. So I receive so many mails, messages. People are telling they also continued with this hobby, but with the different reasons they discontinued from the college or during the office time or even after marriage or even having after the children, etc. They discontinued. But somehow or the other, I had promised to my class teacher, Dr. Motilal Jotwani, that I will continue with this hobby. He was motivating me. Time to time, I had been contacting him and telling him about my progress about this hobby. As the number was increasing, I used to tell him, now I have up to 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 20,000, like that. So he was motivating me, you continue it, continue it. So I tell the people, कि लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई, लगे
Yes.
रहो मुन्ना भाई, कुछ तो होगा. हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि हमको अवार्ड मिलेंगे या हम रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करेंगे. I never
Yes.
thought it. But after continuing and this persistence of this hobby, I got so many awards. I have got more than 75 records and awards, national level as well as the international level. So
Wow.
which was not at all of it. Slowly, the people appreciated and it was publicized.
So, sir, any word pitch or any message you want to convey to Man Mahila Ka?
My only message is that let us continue with our personal hobby and not because of some records or awards. The awards will follow. Once we excel in our jobs, it will give some fragrance or it will give some what you call this exposure. People
Yeah.
will give you exposure automatically. Newspaper will cover your achievements. TV people will cover your achievements. But we should not work for only publicity. It is only for our this persistence and hard work, which will grow our hobby and give automatically the message that this person has worked hard and he should be rewarded. People will say about your hobby. People will appreciate your displays, that how you want to display your hobby, how it is being reached to public or masses.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what will be your success mantra?
It is only hard work.
Okay.
Mantra is that let us work hard and continue. This hobby has given me a lot of records, awards, as well as the recognition.
So, sir, tell me any social change you want to conquer in our society.
houses, if you find that wife husband are working together in different timings, they are not able to devote proper time to children. We
Yes.
have to educate our boys. They have to be very careful. Boys at home should get proper time to be educated, to respect the girls and ladies.
Yeah, sir.
Schools also should teach the basic responsibility of the boys, which is very much lagging. The message is very clear. Hard work and persistence is required.
Yes, of course.